Section 2, Graphs of Functions. We're going to focus on number 3. And what we're asked to do is to graph and name the basic function. This one has absolute value symbols, so this one is called an absolute value function. And that's the parent function name. Now it is in its rawest form, so if we graph it, it is typically recommended to graph it with our XY table. And parent functions are nice. We can usually plug in a -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and that's going to give us a good picture. So now if we plug in a -3, remembering that negative, or the absolute value of anything is positive, so if you plug in a negative number, it becomes positive. So -3 becomes a +3, -2 becomes +2, -1 becomes +1, 0, 0. If it's already positive, it stays positive. So 1 becomes 1, 2 is 2, and 3 is 3. So what we get is 1 gives us 1, 2 gives us 2, -1 gives us 1, -2 gives us 2, and we get this shape like that. In description terms, they are straight lines. They are both in quadrants 1 and 2, and we'll get to those kind of descriptions later, but that is basically the graph and its name. Now if you go to the next one, where we talk about more detail, we're going to focus on this was on number 3, so number 7 refers to that same question, but asking, does it include the origin? If we look at it, the origin would be right here, and yes, it does include it. So we would say yes. What quadrants is it in? If you know the quadrants are counterclockwise. So this would be quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one would be described as quadrants 1 and 2.